This is our chicken that we are going to spatchcock today and smoke. Put on the smoker, I mean. And I'm going to show you how to spatchcock. It's really quite simple. You know, our spines in our bodies are not wide, okay? They're real narrow. And all of our ribs come around and connect to it. And hip girth and everything. So imagine, and you can feel it right there. Just like you feel the bones in your own spine, in your back. And you want to cut close to that spine, okay? Now right there is his, what's it called in ours? Her clavicles, I think. You can see my fingers have caught it. So, I use a knife so I can cut the skin, and then the scissors go right through it. Because scissors and skin are not complementary. Now you feel the hip bone here and there, and the spine comes in right there. So that's what you do. If I can find it again. Just cut the skin with a sharp knife. That works. Ha! Guaranteed it will make it a lot easier to cut with scissors. So there you got the spine. Now get your kitchen shears or garden shears or whatever you want to use that is clean and cut again as close to that spine as you can. And you can see how easy that is? You hear it. Keep coming up. Just follow that cut line, if I can. There it is. All the way out. Now you got half of it cut out. Now do it to the other side. Coming up right close to that spine, right in there. Watch your fingers. Now see, there it is. And you see you're cutting through ribs, and see how they're attached to the spine? I didn't cut in as close as I could have, but close enough. And these are kidneys and things that are in the spine. Then out to the tailbone. Okay. And what that leaves you is opened like that. Now, to make it easier, you can break this. Some people have got strong hands and arms. I come here. Now see, there's bits of bone in here. Okay. You don't have to do this. You can just leave it open. See how that lays out now? Which will be perfect for barbecuing or whatever, barbecuing, smoking, whatever you want to do. You can cut it off this breastbone if you want. I don't bother with it. But I do take all the excess fat off of it. There's a lot of people like the fat. But the toxins of all animals are primarily maintained in the fat. So, not advisable to eat. Oh,
garage door.
There's our smoker interruptus. She's been out trimming flowers. Hello.
Hello. I heard that. The smokus interruptus.
Oh, it's smokus. Okay, I thought it was smoker.
The smoker.
We're teasing her with that because every time she comes and goes from their back patio, she's usually tending the smoker. And Mouse Toes' husband, Vern, is teased as being husband interruptus. So, Dagny is smoker or smokus interruptus. There you have your spatchcock chicken. And now, I'm going to rinse it off real good and see if there's anything I got to take off this thing. Pat it dry and get it ready for the rub.